Got another awesome photo I've just got to show you guys tonight. Take a look at this. This cute couple, this pair of bald eagles here I've seen in Fort Smith. That was taken earlier today by Andrew Galbach. A gorgeous, what am I trying to say? A beautiful, a gorgeous, merging the two words. A gorgeous shot. Two American bald eagles there. Beautiful day for it. Nice weather to get out. Maybe go try to find some birds yourself to take a picture of. We had a cold front. It moved through earlier today. That cold front since stalled out just off to our south. That cold front isn't very strong necessarily, but it is going to be the focal point for a few additional spotty showers developing, let's say overnight tonight, probably after midnight. I'd say midnight's about 4 a.m. is when we expect a few of these, and you'll notice they're largely confined to the river valley. A couple of heavy downpours here and there, maybe even a clap of thunder. In our neck of the woods, I wouldn't expect any severe weather out of this. In fact, most of it's going to be over with before you even wake up come tomorrow morning. We'll see a decent amount of sunshine tomorrow. Nice day on tap. We're dropping into the upper 40s, low 50s. So we got a ways to go before we reach those overnight lows, but we'll quickly turn things around back into the upper 70s, low 80s tomorrow afternoon. Couple of reasons why. A decent southerly wind. It's not going to get too breezy out there, not like what we have been dealing with, but a nice little breeze out there, plus a lot of sunshine, a recipe for a nice, comfortable day. By Friday, things begin to change a little bit for us. There's going to be a more organized disturbance passing through parts of Texas, Louisiana, southern Arkansas. The track that it's going to be taking isn't necessarily super favorable for a good soaking rain, not like what we need, but it is favorable enough that I think we're going to see enough light scattered showers that you're going to want the rain gear, and you might want to be mindful of the forecast if you have outdoor plans on Friday. It is spring break, right? I know a lot of folks are going to want to be out and about. There's probably going to be some rain showers in the area. Those get gone. We have a pretty decent Saturday on tap. In fact, I've lowered our chance of rain for Saturday. Meanwhile, we're still honing in on a disturbance, a storm system that could bring some strong storms to the area Saturday night into Sunday. There's still more questions than answers, right? Here's what we do know. We do know that the overall pattern itself is going to bring some of the necessary ingredients to the area. We're talking in a big picture to the neighborhood, right? This is from the Storm Prediction Center. One of the things that I'm really going to be focusing in on trying to answer some of those questions is how fast does this system arrive, or how slow does it arrive? If it slows down, maybe we got to shift this zone back further towards the west, meaning we would have to deal with more severe storms here locally going into Sunday. But maybe we can get lucky, speed this guy up, push it off towards the east, and it's someone else's problem. We got a ways to go before we can answer all those questions. I bet we know more by this time tomorrow evening. What we can tell you for sure, the weather pattern is going to go from pretty quiet over the last several days to a bit more active Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Overall, I wouldn't expect a whole lot of rain. I know you see a whole lot of chances of rain, but not everyone gets rain every day, right? Those chances are relatively low. And the other issue is we don't necessarily see a lot of heavy rain with this system like we need. We need a good soaking rain. I don't see that just yet. Maybe that it can change. One other thing I want to point out to you, Darren, look at Tuesday of next week, which is April 1st. Right now, I'm going with overnight low temperatures in the 40s, low 40s in northwest Arkansas. Just before we came on air, I got one piece of weather data, and it's one of a whole bunch, right? It's an outlier right now. It's just an outlier. But it shows we could see a freeze. Oh. And I point that out because I know there's a lot of people like itching to get those plants in the ground, right? Yeah. And I'm one of them. It's probably an outlier, but I didn't want to just not tell folks. Okay. You might want to just check back in with me tomorrow. Let's see what things are trending.
Okay, well, we'll see what happens.
Yep.